Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasin Padasale. So this video will be really helpful video because many students are having different confusion with regarding to answer key challenge. Okay, so this video will be really beneficial. So please watch the video continuously. At the same time, if you didn't still subscribe to my YouTube channel, please click the subscription button below. So the first question what many students are asking, only if a candidate who challenge the question alone will be getting benefited, like that many students are asking. Because in order to challenge one question, you need to pay an amount of 200 rupees. Okay, and many students who didn't challenge the question are really worrying about that. So student, if you read this particular italicized words, the challenge of any candidate in respect to any of the answer keys found to be correct, the answer key thereof will be revised and it will be used for processing the result for all candidates who attempted that particular question. So no need to worry if you didn't challenge an amount, because some will be financially stable and some will not. At this time point, we need to thank many students who challenge each and every question asked in both shift 1 and shift 2. Thank you, student. Okay. And next, there is an NTA notice that is available, friends. You can download from NTA Notice board itself. It is not with respect to CSIR examination. It is with respect to NEET examination. And I could be able to find few important points that are relevant to our CSIR examination. If more than one option is found to be correct, like fourth point, more than one option is found to be correct, marks will be awarded to only those who are marked any of the correct option. And the example is, if you take the shift number 1, question ID 76. So here you can able to see, for this question from NTA they just mentioned option B and option C are correct. But many students have challenged this question saying that option A, option B, option C are correct. Then for those students who attempted question number 76, you will be getting a solid 4 mark. Whereas those students, if you didn't attempt this question number 76, you won't get no mark at all. Okay friends, next, if the question is found to be, then for the same, if you check shift 2 question, in shift 2 question paper, if you take question number 241, so question number 241 which has been asked from developmental biology, again they just mention option number B and option number C are correct. But many students after revising Gilbert book, they find option number A is also absolutely correct. So NTA should definitely revise the answer key, and those students who attempted this particular question ID 241, you will be getting the mark. Okay, so don't worry. Next, if question is found to be wrong or if answer is found to be wrong, that is due to any human error or technical error, if the question, if there is any mistake in question or if there is any mistake in answer, like if you take shift paper 2 question number 185. So here you can able to see, so in the shift number 2 question number 226, if you take, the question is normal, but if you check on the answer, that is options, option number A and option number D, that is key. This is an option and they had given a list of statements that they are asking which of the following option is correct, that is which of the following statement is correct. The question itself we can able to find, that is statement number A and statement number D, it is same statement. Okay, that means in the question there is a typing error. In that cases, what is the situation is that if the question is found to be wrong or if the answer is found to be wrong, means all the candidates appeared for the examination, you will be given 4 marks irrespective whether you had attempted this question or not. If the question has been attempted, if you attempted this question number 226, you will also getting 4 marks. If you didn't attempt this question number 226, you will also getting the mark. Okay, some will be asking, so some are still having more important doubts, that is what they are asking means, according to provisional answer key that is released by NTA, for one question is correct in my response sheet, but if some student that some of your friends or some student who wrote the exam along with you, they are challenging that particular question and they are claiming the option which you selected is wrong. Okay, and NTA what they will be revising, they will be revising the challenge option, and if they are changing the option means, okay, the option is changed means then my mark will be detected or not. Let me explaining you with a one important question, like you can take this particular question at the example. There is question number 117 in shift 1. You are able to see For this particular shift, question number 117, they just mention option number D is a correct answer, like that they are mentioned. But I am challenging this question saying that no, option number D is incorrect, option number A is correct, like that I am saying. So the option ID, that is fourth option ID, it is 468. From NTA they just mentioned 468 option is correct. But I had challenged no and I had claimed 465 answer, that is option ID is correct. So NTA they will be analyzing all our proofs and references, everything. If they finally agreed means they will be changing this particular option. So those students who had marked this particular 465 option alone will be getting your mark. Okay, in case if you for 200 marks, if you are getting 96 means you will be getting plus 4 marks, so your mark will be increased. At the same time, those students who attempted this question, so based on provisional answer key, your calculator for 200 you are getting 96 100 marks means at the final statement your marks will be reduced, that is 4 marks will be reduced. Okay, that's how you need to calculate, friends. Okay, and if you check on this particular notice, so it is an example I am telling you. So for one question, what NTA is that they had given a answer in a provisional answer key, there is a different answer has been given. In final answer key, they are changed a particular option ID. Okay, what will be the outcome means mark will be awarded only to this option. The candidate for this particular question ID, if he has selected this particular option ID, only those candidate will be getting a mark. The same time, if some question from NTA, they will be announcing it as a dropped question. The question is considered as dropped means mark will be awarded to all candidates who attempted the question any option. Okay, if you are attempted any option, you will be getting a mark. Okay, so let me so if you check the final answer key of the June 2021 examination, you can able to get more clarity, friends. Like if you take the mathematical subjects and all, here for this particular question ID, they says that all the 3 options, like among the 4 options, 3 options are correct. Like that they are giving, they are revising the answer key. So let me explaining you for life sciences. So for life sciences, if you take any question, take this question ID 88. If your option ID is 351 or if you have selected that particular 351 option ID or 352 option ID means only for those students who are selected either of these 2 options alone will be getting mark. Whereas for some question, like if you take question number 121, here they are putting star. Star means the question is considered as dropped, and once the question has been considered as dropped means mark will be awarded to all the candidates who attempted that particular question. So it's the NTA need to decide which question they need to consider as a dropped or which question they will be revising the answer key. Okay, so if the question is dropped means mark will be awarded to all those who attempted that particular question. So I had provided you enough amount of clarity. If you still have any doubt, don't worry, ask me in the comment section. Definitely, if possible, I'll try to solve. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.